consciousness rooted in hatred. Dosa mula chittanti. 9. One consciousness accompanied by displeasure associated with aversion, unprompted. 10. One consciousness accompanied by displeasure associated with aversion, prompted. These two types of consciousness are associated with aversion. Guide to consciousness rooted in hatred. Dosa mula chittanti. The second class of unwholesome consciousness analyzed by the Abhidhamma is that rooted in hatred, the second of the three unwholesome roots. This consciousness is of two kinds, distinguished simply as unprompted and prompted. In contrast to consciousness rooted in greed, which can arise with alternative types of feeling, either joy or equanimity, consciousness rooted in hatred arises with only one kind of feeling, that of displeasure. Again, unlike consciousness rooted in greed, consciousness rooted in hatred does not arise in association with wrong view. Although wrong view can motivate acts of hatred, according to Abhidhamma, the wrong view does not arise simultaneously with hate in the same chitta, but at an earlier time in a different type of chitta. Accompanied by displeasure, domanassa sagata, the feeling that accompanies states of consciousness rooted in hatred is displeasure. The Pali word domanassa, derived from do equals bad plus manas equals mind, signifies unpleasant mental feeling. This feeling accompanies only consciousness rooted in hatred, and such consciousness is necessarily accompanied by this feeling. Thus, displeasure or unpleasant mental feeling is always unwholesome. In this respect, it differs from unpleasant bodily feeling, which is karmically indeterminate, and from joy and equanimity, which may be wholesome, unwholesome, or indeterminate. Associated with aversion, patigha sampayutta, whereas consciousness rooted in greed is explicitly said to be accompanied by greed, consciousness rooted in hatred or dosa is expounded under the synonymous term aversion, patigha. Patigha includes all degrees of aversion, from violent rage to subtle irritation. The word means literally striking against, which indicates a mental attitude of resistance, rejection, or destruction. Though displeasure and aversion always accompany each other, their qualities should be distinguished. Displeasure, domanassa, is the experience of unpleasant feeling, aversion. Patigha is the mental attitude of ill will or irritation. In terms of five aggregates, displeasure is included in the aggregate of feeling. Vedana kandha. While aversion is included in the aggregate of mental formations. Sanghara kandha.